How's it going, everyone? I'm back here with another quick video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to relink files in Final Cut Pro. So let's go ahead and get started. The process is actually super simple in doing this, so it can be done either by relinking the files to the files on the internal drive on your computer, or they can be relinked to files located on external drive. So in this particular case, I'm going to be relinking them to files that I have located on an external hard drive. All right, so you can see here, this particular project does not have the file currently linked in this particular library. So it's because this particular file or video was initially located on the internal drive of this computer, but for this demonstration I went ahead and moved it to the external drive so we can show how the relinking process works. So basically what you need to do to relink a video within a project is just go into the timeline and click it until it highlights yellow, and go up to the very top and click File. And you want to scroll down here until you see relink files. Click on that. And then you can either, if you have multiple files that need relinked, you can just individually relink certain ones, or you can relink all of them all at once. So to do all of them all at once, in this case, just click this button here that says Locate All. So like I said, in this case, that particular file is located on the external drive. So what you need to do is find where that particular video file is at, and this is it right here, the IMG1503. So go ahead and highlight it, and then go down here to hit Choose, and it'll load it, and you can see the files under the missing section has now disappeared, letting you know that the file has been located successfully. And then once you've done that, you can, just to make sure to verify that it has indeed matched it, you can go down to this little arrow tab here, and it says original file and matched file, and you could check just to make sure that those are identical, to ensure that they are the same file you're looking for. And then once you've done and verified all of that, you then just have to click Relink Files. And then there you go. The video file has been restored to your project timeline, and you can continue editing it just as you did before. And that's basically it. Super simple. So anyway, that's basically it for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments or need help in any way, just drop a comment below and I'll try to help you guys the best as I can. Also hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel greatly. And hit that like button as well. So that's basically it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.